Hey guys, we're here today to introduce you to this new project that we just delivered. This over here, the customer called us. He had just purchased the house and he wanted to remodel the pool. He didn't like the way the pool looked, so he called us and he wanted to get some ideas. We do our usual, we come over here, we sat down with them and we went through all the features that they wanted, everything that they wanted to be included into their project. And here's our final result. They had a raised deck over here that, you know, made a lot of sense before, but with this new modern clean look didn't go so well. So we took that down, and when we took that down, we were able to expand the pool. While before the pool used to go here straight, we try to match the other side, so you had to continue increase all these area over here. Here we have a sun shelf, big sun shelf, 3 bubblers, 3 lights. Everything looks perfect. It looks really beautiful at night. Over here, one of the requests of the customer was that he wanted a round spa. So usually for a pool like that, we would put a square one, but he specifically told that he liked the round spa. So that's why you always go with custom pool builders. Why? Because you can get whatever you need based off of your needs. So this is a big round spa. I mean, it's simply gigantic. It's a beautiful piece. Spilling over into the pool, okay? Everything equal. Here, as you can look into the deck, you will see that we did a porcelain deck. And when we do porcelain deck, we like to do the raised wall like this. Coming over here, we also did this raised deck to match the lower deck. Kitchen, nice kitchen, griddle, pizza oven, you name it. Nice pergola, some shade, aluminum, it's there, it's forever. Yeah, this is pretty much it. This is how we do it. This is what your experience will be. We usually go with the customer to the house, try to understand exactly what he's looking for before we can start proposing, before we can start, you know, giving them our expert opinion. So if you want to get something like that, if you want to remodel your home, if you think that you might need some upgrades, give us a call, let us know, and, you know, get your own experience. Like, let us help you find and create this nice space like they have it over here.